Welcome. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to set up the platform you would use to run ads. We are getting to the practical side of it. And I would love to say, calm down. Like, relax your mind, take a deep breath, you know, and relax. You can learn it and you can do it. I didn't wake up one day and realize that, oh, I can run ads and I figured everything out. No, I took my time to learn it. So it's a great thing now that I am guiding you to simplify the process for you and actually show you the step-by-step way of doing this. So what I will require from you is to actually take it easy on yourself and learn it. Because if you already have that mindset that, oh, I don't understand tech, oh, I cannot learn tech, oh, tech is very hard, you will struggle with actually setting up your art. You will struggle with actually setting up your art. So please come with an open mind and follow me through on this journey while I guide you how to set up your art. But before we go to setting up your art, let's see the platform that Facebook has provided to run ads, like the platform that they've put together to help you to run super effective and profitable ads. So the tool that you need to run ads is your Meta Ads Manager. It's called Meta Ads Manager. It used to be Facebook Ads Manager, but when they integrated all their platform into this company called Meta, it now turned to be Meta Ads Manager. So from Meta Ads Manager, you can run ads on Instagram, you can run ads on Facebook. I know a lot of us before now, probably if you've done ads, will just go to the boost button or promote button and run ads there. So whatever ads you've done in the past that use that promote or boost button, they all come together inside this ads manager. That's where you are supposed to manage all the ads. That's where you're supposed to see all the data and information you need to make decisions as regards to your ads. So nothing wrong with actually promoting, especially if you just want to target cold audience, but make sure that you come back here to see the data, to see the information. And then I will advise that you test out running ads from Ads Manager. And if you're still running ads from Instagram to direct, you can still test that out and see the one that gives you better results. But then I must say here that there are some targeting options that are not available when you're running ads directly from Instagram or directly from your Facebook page. Like when you want to target your custom audience, when you want to run retargeting ads, when you want to target specific lookalike audiences, you can only do that from Ads Manager. Sometimes I still run ads from Instagram direct, but wherever I'm running my ads from, I still come back to the Ads Manager to analyze my data and be able to see what is working, what is not working, and make key decisions. The Ads Manager is available on web and also available on your mobile app. Okay, so if you want to download it, this is the icon to look out for, Meta Ads Manager, and this is the icon. So you can download it on your phone so that you're able to evaluate your ads on the go. So Meta Ads Manager is the tool that you would use to run ads, tool that you use to evaluate to see how your ads is performing. And this tool is one of the tools inside your Meta for Business account. It is one of the tools inside your Meta for Business account. It is also called Meta Business Manager. So you need to create a business manager account where you can now do a lot of things like manage your Facebook pages, your Instagram pages, your WhatsApp accounts, your ad accounts, the people running your ads if you choose to add someone to it, or people managing your page, add your payment details and all of that. So all these things are inside a broad platform called Meta for Business account or Meta Business Manager. To create your Meta Business Manager account, you want to go to business.facebook.com/overview. business.facebook.com/overview. So when you get there, you'll be able to create your business manager account. Let's go there now and I'll show you how to create your business manager account and the setup you need to do. So we are right there now on the business.facebook.com/overview. So you can read some of the things here now. It said, with Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager, you'll be able to oversee all your pages, accounts, and business assets in one place. You can easily create and manage ads for all your accounts. You can track what is working best with performance insights. Okay, then here says, let's get started with business tools from Meta. Log in with Facebook to use Meta Business Suite or Business Manager. So it can be called either Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. You can log in with your Facebook profile to set up your business manager. Then here also says, no Facebook account, log in with Instagram to use Meta Business Suite. So you can either log in with your Facebook profile or your Instagram profile. So here I would log in with Facebook profile. So to do that, you just click on log in with Facebook. Once the page loads, you want to enter your email address or phone number that you use to access your Facebook profile and enter your password. So you know your normal personal profile, that's what you would use here to log in. So now I'm logged in and this is how it looks. So you can already see that I have a business manager. You can see Amarta CA business manager and I have 10 business assets under it. So most likely for some of you, if you've been running ads, if you've been managing your business manager before, you might most likely have a business manager account, and in that case you might not need to create a new one. You just need to look at what are the things that I still need to set up. So I still advise you to go through this video so that you see some things that you've not set up that you need to set up. But if you log in here and observe that you do not have any business manager account already set up for you, or the one you created in the past, you want to actually click on this create button. And I don't know, probably if you do not have a business manager account, maybe on logging in, they might just redirect you to create a new business manager account. So that might also happen. But in case where it doesn't happen, you would likely see a create button where you can create your business manager account. I will be creating a business manager account from scratch just to show you how to get that done. So to do that, you click on create. So now I've clicked on create and there's a pop-up form that guides me through the process. Here says your business and account name. So you want to give your account name, maybe your business name, or you can still give it your personal name, but this is your business account, okay? So I will call this Marcus Business Manager. Then by default, your name will be here because like that's your Facebook profile name that you use to sign in, right? So this comes up by default. Then you now put in your business email here. Once you put in your business email, you want to click on this submit button. So I've done that now. I inputted my business email and clicked on submit, and immediately I did that, it sent me an email to confirm that this is my email address, because you know people can put in random emails. So whenever you're creating such accounts, they will typically send you an email to confirm that you're the one that actually initiated that process. So once they send you that email, what you just need to do is to go to your mailbox and click on confirm now. So once you confirm that, then you have full access to actually start setting up your business manager. But remember, like I said, if you come here and you already have a business manager account, please do not create a new one. So you can just use your business manager account here to do the setup. Okay? So to do the setup, you want to click on this settings icon on the down left. You can see this setting icon here on the down left. Click on it and it will load a page where you can do your setup. So it's loading the page now and it's loaded. All right, so the things that you can set up are people that will manage your business manager account. You can invite partners, you can add your pages, you can create a new ad account, you can create you can add a new Instagram account, you can add a WhatsApp account, so you can virtually do a lot of things here because it's like a central center where you set up everything concerning your Meta business account. So the key ones that I want you to do for the purpose of running ads is: one, you need to add your pages. You need to add your page. So you can see here that my pages are already added. So, but to add a new page, you want to click on this add button here. Click on it, then add a page. So if you own a page already that you want to use to run ads, you want to click here and actually add that page. So you can now select the page name, like enter the page name. So you can see Maracruz Organics is already added, of course, right? But let me just select it. Then you click on add page. But you can see this page is in your business manager already. So it's showing me that this page is in your business manager. You see it in your pages tab. So the process is very simple. I can't add this page again because already is in my business manager. So what you just need to do here is to click add page and follow through with the process. I've added all the pages I manage, so I don't have any other page to add, but it's very simple to do. So you just click here and click on add page and then follow through with the steps. Then if you're running an agency or a digital marketer, you want access to a page that is not yours, you want to use this second option here, request access to a page. So here again, you enter the page name and then request access. Then if you don't have any business page, you can use this third option here to create a new business page. All right, then coming to Instagram accounts, you hover to Instagram accounts and again, click here and connect your Instagram account. Click on connect Instagram account. It will load and then ask you to log into your Instagram account. And once you successfully log into your Instagram account, it will add that Instagram account to your business manager account. Why these things are important is that when you add all these assets, so Facebook calls them business assets. When you add all these assets to your business manager, when you're now running ads, you can choose that, oh, I want to run ads to Facebook, you have access to it. I want to run ads to Instagram, you have access to it. Okay. Then coming to WhatsApp accounts. So for instance, you want to run ads to different WhatsApp accounts. You can actually add as many WhatsApp accounts as you have here. So you click on this add button, select your country code and put in the phone number. So then here you put in the phone number you want to add. After putting in the phone number, you want to click this continue button. Once you click the continue button, it will now take you through the step of adding your WhatsApp account. Okay, so the steps it's going to actually take you through is that it would send a code to that WhatsApp business account so that you can enter the code here just to authenticate the fact that you are the owner of the WhatsApp business account. I'm not going to proceed with adding a phone number because I've added all our business phone numbers here already. Okay, so but it's a very simple step. Just follow through the prompts. You add your phone number, you click continue, it will request a code, you check your WhatsApp business, add the code, and then it adds your WhatsApp number. Ensure that the WhatsApp number you are actually adding here is a WhatsApp for business number. So if you're using the regular WhatsApp account, you want to first upgrade to the WhatsApp business account. So you need to go to your Play Store or App Store, download the WhatsApp for business. You can see the icon here, this icon, WhatsApp for business. So download it, move to WhatsApp for business because you can only run ads to WhatsApp business accounts. So now we've seen how to add your Facebook page, how to add your Instagram page, and also how to add your WhatsApp account. Let me show you how to add people because probably you have people managing your page or people setting up your ads for you. So for adding people to your business manager, you hover to under users here to people, then you click on add people. So when you click on add people, you want to enter their email address. So let me just enter a random email address just to show you how this works. Let me just enter a random email address. All right. So I've entered an email address. I'll click on next. Then here, it will now ask you whether you want to give the person partial access or full control. So I would typically give employee access, which is this partial access, right? Only give full control to people you really trust, because once you give them full control, they can do anything on your ads manager or your business manager. So you see what it says that this is the most control you can give. They can do all of the above, assign other people full control, and delete your business account. So before you give people full control, ensure that there are really people that that you can trust. Okay, so typically I would do this partial access and then set exactly the assets I want them to have access to. So I click on next. Then here I can now select the assets I want them to have access to. Remember that assets are things like your pages, your Instagram account, your Pixel. So if you run ads on website, there's another section where I show you how to do that. Okay, Pixel is what you need to run ads on website. We're not going to cover that for this particular setup. Then add accounts. So ad account is basically an account that you set up to be able to manage your ads, to be able to pay Facebook when you run ads, to be able to see whatever that is happening when you're running ads. We call it ad accounts. And you also see how to create an ad account in your business manager. So you just give them access to the things that you want them to have access to. So maybe this person, I want the person to have access to my personal business page and to Mara Cruise or the manufacturer's hub, as the case may be. By this side, I will now select what I want them to have access to. So you can see I can toggle the button to give them access to run ads. Okay, so I can really decide what I want to give them access to, and immediately I've decided everything I want to give them access to, I'll click on invite. After inviting them, they'll get an email and they can do the setup too from their own end. And immediately they've accepted your invite, their account will now be active and they can start accessing your business manager. Now, let me show you how to create an ad account. So an ad account is actually the account that helps you to run ads. So all the ads you've done in the past and the ones you will do in the future are all inside your ad account. It also enables you to actually pay Facebook when you're running ads. It's like creating your business account, okay? So all the ads that you run would be under that particular ad account that you selected to run that particular campaign. All right, so to do that, you come to this account section here and click on add accounts. And immediately you click on it, it will load. As you can see here, I have multiple ad accounts, and the reason why I have these ad accounts is because I have different businesses that I run ads for, and for each business I actually want to separate its own finance. Okay, so to create your ad account, you need to click on this add button here. If you have an ad account that is functional, you don't need to create a new ad account. But if you have maybe dollar ad account, depending on where you are in the world, and you realize that, oh, I want to actually have an ad account in my own currency, like I want to be able to pay Facebook in my own local currency, then you might need to create a new ad account. Or probably you have an ad account, but you find it difficult to make payments. You have an outstanding balance on your ad account that is now difficult for you to actually run ads anymore. It might be that your ad account is actually in postpaid. So if you are running a postpaid ad account, what that means is that it is after you've done your ads that Facebook will bill your card. If you're in Nigeria, I believe you already know that sometimes the debit card does not work for online payments. Okay, so if you've been having issues with making payments and your ad account is in postpaid, you can actually create a new ad account and then put that one on prepaid, and I will show you how to do that. So prepaid ad account means that you load money into that ad account, your wallet, and when you now start running ads every day, Facebook will debit that money in your wallet. It's like recharging airtime, right? So every time you run ads at the end of the day, they will debit it. So when your money is exhausted, your ads will stop running till you load your wallet again. So if you've been having issues with payments, then you need to actually create a new ad account and have that one on prepaid. All right, so now that you understand like why you need to create a new ad account, or why you do not need to create a new ad account if you actually have a functional account, let's now see exactly how to create your ad account. So to do that, you click on add button here. Then you click on create a new ad account. If probably you have another ad account that is linked to another business manager, but you want everything to be on the business manager that you want to use to run ads, you just click here and request that this ad account that you have will be added to your account. Add an ad account, so it will be added to your business manager account. Or you're a digital marketer and you want to request access to an ad account. Maybe you're running ads for a particular business, right? So you can come here and request access to an ad account. Once you click on any of these two options, it will guide you. It will tell you to probably give the ad account ID, right? Ad account ID is typically the numbers that is beside your ad account. There is a number that is beside your ad account. Once you open up any ad account, you see a number there, some digits. You can copy that and use that to request access to an ad account. So let's create a new ad account. Click on create a new ad account and this will pop up. Then you click on add account name and actually give it a name. So let me call it Maracruz ad account. Then time zone, your time zone of course. Then currency, this is where you now set the currency that you want to use. So you can set it in your local currency or in dollar, depending on the currency you actually want to use in making payment. So here I leave it in my local currency, Nigerian naira. I click on next. So here it will ask me to actually select the business manager I want to create this ad account for. So I'll select my business, which is Amaratase Business Manager. I click on create. So now it has loaded and it's asking me if I want to add people, right? So I can decide to add anyone to this ad account. But I just want to add myself. So I just add myself and I give myself full control and I assign. So now I've successfully created my ad account. Once you create your ad account, please do not close this window. This is where you now select whether your ad account will be on postpaid or prepaid. So to do that, you click on add payment info. So it will load and you can see the country, the currency, the time zone. You click on next. It's loading. So once it gets to this add payments information, if you select this debit or credit card, that is the default option here, it would mean that your ad account will be postpaid, because you're now saying when I run ads, debit this card that I'm adding. But if you want it to be prepaid, then you want to select Naira payment with MasterCard using PayU. Can you see PayU here? So you select that here. I know PayU is a payment method that is supported by a lot of countries. Like they support a lot of countries to actually make payments online. But if you do not see this option in your own dashboard, probably there may be another payment method that is available in your own country. And you can also reach out to Facebook to find out the payment method that works for prepaid. All right. So you select this PayU here and click on next. So when you click on next, it will ask you to add your tax information. So if you have your VAT ID, you can actually add it here. So in Nigeria, each time you run ad, it will bill you 7.5% VAT, right? So if you have a VAT ID, you add it here so that you can recover the VAT that you actually paid. So you can see what it said here. This helps you recover any VAT you paid to the Nigerian tax authorities. But if you do not have any VAT ID, you can just click on skip. Then here you can now add the amount that you want to use to run ads. So you can add the amount you want to use to run ads for the month or for the week or as the case may be. Okay. So once you click on the amount that you want, you can actually edit this. Maybe I want to start with 100,000. So I'll just edit it, add 100,000, click on next, then click on continue. So immediately I click on continue, it will now load this pop-up box here where it will ask me to enter my card number, my card name, all the expiry date and the rest, right? So once I enter all those details, I can now click on pay. And depending on the bank you use, they might send you an OTP or a code that like shows that you're the one that's actually trying to make payments. And once you complete that process, your fund will be loaded into your account. So you will now see your balance. So to see your balance, I'll show you how to do that right now. if you want to see your balance at any time, you go back to this place, like the home page, go to all tools, then go to billing. So once billing loads, you can now see your balance. You can see my prepaid balance is 0 naira because I didn't proceed with actually topping up my wallet. Okay, so if you topped up your wallet, you will now see your balance here. So let me show you one account that actually has a balance on it. Let me see. I think Maracruz Naira ad account has a balance on it. You can see Maracruz Naira ad account has a balance on it, 190,000, right? So whenever you want to actually top up the money in your wallet, you just come here and click on add funds. So you go to all tools, you go to billing, then you come here and click on add funds. Then you select the pay you option and go ahead and add money to your wallet. So always remember, select the pay you option here. All right, let me show you another ad account that is actually a postpaid account, so you see what the interface looks like. So let me switch to our dollar account. So the dollar account is actually a postpaid account. We get billed after we've done ads. So you can see here says pay now, pay now. So if we've been running ads here, it will now show the amount that is due and we can actually make payments. But it's automatically set up. You will get billed once you get to your threshold, okay? But if you want to just pay at intervals, you can always come here and now click on pay now. So for the postpaid accounts, what we have is pay now, but for the prepaid account, what you have is add funds. That's how to know whether your account is in prepaid or is on postpaid. We've gone through the process that you need to go through in order to set up your business manager account. We discussed how you can add people, how you can add your pages, how you can add your Instagram account, how you can add your WhatsApp account, how you can create an ad account or get access to an existing ad account. Then we also looked at how you can actually add your payments method. On the part of getting access to your ad account, just as in getting access to another ad account, just follow the prompts. If they ask you to get the ad account ID, just ask the person, what is your ad account ID? It's usually the digit numbers beside any ad account name. So they send that to you so you can use that to request. Just basically follow the prompts. Whenever you're setting any techie thing, they always guide you through, like step by step. You see, click here, continue, next. Just follow the prompts. And when you're unsure, you can always quickly go to Google and type in, how do I do this? And you see like a step by step guide to actually get that done. Because Facebook wants you to advertise, so they've provided a huge information database that shows you what to do at every point in time. So my work is to guide you, to tell you the things that you need to do. But when you stumble upon any challenge, it is very easy for you to Google it. It is very easy for you to reach out to Facebook Help Center and get guidance for them, because they build this platform. They understand it more than anybody at all. Okay, so please go ahead and set up your business manager account so that we can get started in running ads.